Keep COVID-19 out of our markets. What can you do? Markets are popular, and in some places the only option to buy fresh food and other essential products. But there are also places where the COVID-19 virus can spread quickly. Like billions of people around the world, follow a few simple rules and save lives. Before going to the market, try to go to the market less often. Ask yourself if you can do without certain items today. Try not to shop during peak times to avoid crowds. Ask whether you're well enough to go. If you're elderly, find someone who can go to the market for you. Hygiene and social distancing. The virus spreads when the infected person coughs, sneezes, talks, or breathes. Show the right example and avoid close contact by staying at least 2 meters away from people who are not part of your household. Help protect your community and always wear a mask or other face covering that covers your nose and mouth to protect yourself and others. And change your mask every 4 hours. Cough or sneeze into your elbow, never onto your hands or over the produce. And if you use a tissue to blow your nose, always dispose of used tissues properly. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with your hands. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. If you have symptoms or were tested positive for coronavirus. If you have COVID-19, even if you don't feel sick, you should stay at home and avoid all contact with others, including members of your household. Stay isolated for at least 10 days from the time you first felt sick or were tested positive. Stay in isolation for at least 24 hours after the fever goes away and you no longer feel ill. If you feel ill and think you have COVID-19, you should avoid contact with anyone, including your family, and if available, get tested. If you don't feel ill but were within 2 meters of someone with COVID-19 for an extended period of time, you should isolate in your home for at least 10 days. Check your temperature regularly and watch for COVID-19 symptoms. It's very important to avoid contact with others during this time. Paying for your purchase. When exchanging coins or banknotes, avoid touching your face afterwards. Ask if you can pay by putting your money on a tray and get your change on this tray. Whenever possible, pay via mobile phone or other contactless tools. Returning from the market. If you're shopping for others, leave the products outside their home and let them know at a distance that their food is there. Wash hands immediately when returning home. Be part of the team that will make our markets safer.